This is interior design for lazy people. I don't know about you, but I want my house to be beautiful and feel beautiful, but I don't always want to spend all the time and effort it takes to make it into the most beautiful space. And if you're lazy like me, first you want to go take my quiz. It's linked in the bio. The questions are all visual, so it's easy to take. You'll then be given 4 results. Once you click the link, scroll to the very bottom of the page because there's a link to get the free primer. And that's going to have pages like this that will show you all the different decodna interior design types. I really want you to look at these photos and decide which really resonates with you. I've created a guide for 27 different interior design personality types. It makes it so easy to decorate your house. There's visual examples of so many things. Top matching interior design styles, furniture recommendation, color palettes with photos of multiple rooms in your house. Then all you need to do is take this guide with you to the store with you. Anytime you go shopping for your house, match what's in the book to what you see at the store. You're done. You don't even have to know that much about interior design to have a beautiful house.